So I never liked a train, at least not till yesterday. No, I never liked a train until I saw the one that came to carry you away. And I was never one for tears, I kept my feelings deep inside. Having someone pity me was something I could not abide. So I never cried a tear since I was a little boy. No, I never cried a tear till yesterday, and then I started weeping tears of joy. You made a whole new man out of me, nearly too much to believe. You introduced me to a bright new world. All you had to do is leave. I'm so indebted to you. I never danced a step, too busy holding up the wall. I'd go to nearly any length to avoid a dance hall. No, I never danced a step, I guess my shyness ran too deep. No, I never danced a step till yesterday, and now I can't control my happy feeling. I got happy feeling. I never liked a train. No, I never liked a train. Not a boxcar, flat car, engine or caboose. Never liked a train until the one that got me loose from you. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.